Hello! I can hardly believe it, but I now have over 100 subscribers. Guys, I'm really just a layman without any engineering expertise, just doing my hobby. But your support is just amazing. That's why I decided to make a few improvements to my equipment so that you can follow everything better. I'm really excited and I hope you like it too. So let's start with the next device. We have No, not the MateBook. The MateBook has a dead PCH, completely blown, so nothing to diagnose there. We have this here instead. What's that? Electric toothbrush. It is dead. Nothing happens when I press a button. I think it is supposed to light up here, but nothing happens. So yeah, let's try to figure out how we can open it, or maybe we can charge it. It has a contactless charging design. How it is called induction charging. So I'm back. So what is it? How does this work? I have no idea, but I think it was open before. Can you see it? It has here marks from previous opening. At least I think so. Let's open it. How? Tweezer? Careful. No. How is this supposed to be opened? Let's check YouTube. Okay. Okay, it seems like I need something like that. And we are building something. Maybe like that. No. Okay. Hopefully this is enough so I won't damage it. And now I have nothing else to do when to press. Let's check whether we have some damage. No, it's still cool, okay. Still looks intact. So what is the proper method to open it? Huh? I have no idea. Next try. Here. I really thought it would be easier. But it's actually a mess. Let me get another one. Yeah, I think I need something like that. Please. So this is for preventing damage on the Sonicare. It's a Philips Sonicare, by the way, DiamondClean HX9350. no idea. So now too wide open. Now okay, I think I need something like that. Please. In the video tutorial where he put something around the Sonicare to prevent damage, and then he just assert some pressure to find a point where it is actually opening. Okay, and then he tries to pull it out. Maybe from this side. Oh, gone. Well, it was probably already tried too much, so it is somehow stuck inside. Maybe we get a second chance. I think I have already some progress here. Yeah, slowly. Slowly. It comes slowly out. Once again. So we just squeeze it out. Okay. At least we try to squeeze it out. Is it already enough? Come on. No, it is still stuck. Well, this cover will be replaced in any case. Just saying. It's my first attempt, so I'm free to destroy anything. Everything. Okay? No, 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 no. at least in this case, this method doesn't work. This is why I hate previous repair attempts. It is a challenge, but also the amateurs went to tend to fuck it up. Okay, I'm not happy, but I'm slowly working. I want it to come out now. It seems like it is almost impossible. Oh, okay. Now. Okay. So now we have locking tabs inside of this. On this side and also on this side. I have to put them outwards so I can remove the toothbrush. What is inside of the toothbrush? Also I have to remove this plastic here. I think has just to be careful. I think it can be rotated and then I can pull it out. Yeah, wonderful. Okay. So okay, needs to replace the rubber, needs to be replaced too. However, let's proceed with the locking tabs. I need more tools. The situation isn't better now. Now I'm struggling to get the PCB out. However, in one video we're just doing some pressure to the table and then just from one side to the other side till it is till the job is done. Maybe like that. It is moving. It is moving. Okay. It is moving. Okay. 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 Wow. Yeah, we have definitely some corrosion here. Look. How is this battery supposed to work? Oh well. Also we have some scratches here. Here. Can you see that? Here. Water damage. It is basically a water damage. The battery is completely gone. Okay, wow, this one needs a good cleaning for sure. Maybe we have to do some trace repair. Yeah, and then we'll see what happens. Water damage everywhere. Okay. Water damage. That's bad. Liquid damage. This is worse than expected, to be honest. Okay, you know what? Found two more things out. At first, the battery seems to be ripped from the circuit. It is supposed to be soldered. Here for the plus, and here completely missing for the minus. So yeah, that's really bad. However, I found even more. Here is supposed to be the power button, the power switch. It is completely missing. Okay, well, I think it has been a while where I was scammed like that. However, I feel challenged. So, you know what? We'll clean this whole mess. Everything will cleaned up properly when I replace the power switch. And then I come with the bench power supply. I think 3.7 volts, can it be? And we'll try to power it on and see whether it works. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, let's start. But first, we have to find out how we can disassemble it. Okay, let's try. Remove this rubber here. Carefully. If this is even possible. Come on, how is this supposed to come off? Everything is completely stuck with this device. This is just horrible. Okay, then I think I've seen I have to So this is the board. Interesting. We'll clean up everything and inspect everything under microscope. So when we have still this one here, I want to open this too because I see many corrosion here and here too. So I really want to open this and it just doesn't work. Can't believe. Seriously? Seriously? Come on. Okay. Wonderful. Which is good. Where's my ISO? Just a second. So, toothbrush. Let's try. To clean it a bit. Maybe we don't have to replace this part. Maybe. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, that's the best we can do. Okay, so we have the battery terminal here. Let me set 3.7 volt. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 3.7 volt, 2 amps, and let's see what happens. Okay. So battery. Will it fly away? I think, if I remember correct, I have to pay attention with this rubber here. So how was it? How was it? Here, like that. Yeah? Okay. This doesn't make any sense. Let's try again. Okay, so power. So we have almost no consumption. Once again, and pressing. Oh! Okay, once again. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It seems to basically work. I think we did a good job. So let's check with a good battery, with a new rubber here, with a new bottom cover, and yeah, when hopefully it will do this job and we can brush our teeth again. Okay? So, see you next time. Hello! Back again with this nice electric toothbrush. However, first I have to apology for because I failed again. The sound under microscope is missing. Wonderful. I did a great job again. So what happened? Like I told in the beginning of the video, I improved something. So I had to set up the cameras new and everything new, and I just forgot to add the audio option to the microscope view. So sorry for that. I will make subtitles. Basically, I did a few checks with a multimeter, found a bad resistor because just the pads were gone. So I replaced the resistor, everything else was just cleaned. The power button was replaced or placed. A power button is just connected to a power line and to ground, so there was not much to check, just ground and power line, whether it has continuity, and it has continuity somewhere to this chip. And just by visual inspection I found a few broken lines actually, and yeah, I fixed that with jumper wire, and yeah, that's all. And now a new battery arrived and a new rubber seal, how is it called? Rubber seal arrived. So yeah, I think we are ready to finish this repair, and yeah, let's check whether it will work as expected. Okay, like I told, first we'll install the battery, so back to the microscope, hopefully with sound this time. So yeah, let's go. I hope, yeah, I have sound. I think I have sound. Finally. So the first thing is to power the soldering iron. So and then I have to open this jumper again, so we can place the battery without any risk. Just like that. Okay, already open. Wonderful. So now let's check. So now let's check how we can insert it. So plus is in front and minus is in the back. So I have just to pull it somehow into the PCB, and this is not so easy actually. Okay. Interesting. So here we are at no. Okay. Come on, can't be so hard, no? So where is it? Ah, okay. I just have to press. So this is a bit out of where it should go. The first one went fine, but the minus is not okay. We pull it out again. Maybe like that. Yeah. Okay, finally. We have the minus here and the plus here. Wonderful. Now we'll solder it. So now we solder it. Okay, here. This is the battery minus. And this is the battery plus. And now we'll just solder it. One second. Okay. I think now it's bright enough for me. Good. Soldering iron. No, is it a nice solder joint or not? Wonderful. And here? No idea. So, now we'll close the jumper again, and then the device should work. Now, okay. Gut. Okay. So one more check. How was it? Like that? Maybe. Ah, I think now I understand how it is supposed to be. Yeah, like that. Like that is correct. Yeah. Okay. So, let's try. Okay. So, and from where do I know now that it is getting charged? Oh, okay. Now I have a green light here, which goes on and off. So when I remove it from the glass, from the cup, it goes on, and when I put it back, the charging light goes on. So I have to guess it is working. Okay, once again, I think I found the issue why it is so loud. It is even already a bit silent. The main reason is the screw here. I found in another YouTube tutorial. The screw here, and also this is reversed at 180 degrees. So maybe we have to rotate it, and maybe we have to clean up, especially this upper area here. Let's see. Weird. Okay, how is that supposed to come off? Okay. Wow. Maybe we should clean this. So now I can carefully bend this metal piece here, one side. And the other side. And now I can remove it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we have just the water thing here, no? Everything is full of, in Germany we say Kalk. Don't know the exact name in English. But this is the reason of the noise. Pretty sure. Maybe this was the main reason why it was open before. Maybe. Can we do something with the toothbrush? Let's check. Looks already much better now. The ISO works pretty well. So can we make it silent again? Maybe. But this looks already much better now. Okay. So I think that's good enough for this part. Now we have the screw, and this is really awful here. Wow. It is just full. It is completely white. Stain. Stain? Is it stain? It is full of stain. Yes? Horrible. Okay. Let's do something for you. Okay, I think that's clean enough for the moment. So how was it? Like that, no? I'm a bit scared now. So here we have the marking. I think that's right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 So the video told it has to be upwards. Like that. So, and now a few prayers. Much better. Okay, let's put it back. So how is it now? Oh, much better. Much better. Wow. Nice. Okay. I think we can leave it like that. Amazing. Wow. Okay. It's good. Okay. I'll try it out. Thank you for watching. I think I'll stop this video now. I hope it was helpful. I want to thank not only you, but also the ones who helped me a lot that this all is even possible. Thank you, for example, to Eine wilde Stehlampe, or in English, Wild Floor Lamp, who cross-changed his power supply with me. The power supply you see here with the nice overlay. He got my old one and I got his one, so I can realize my videos much better. Also the knowledge and everything from other members from the electronics repair school, all of them were and are a great help still. So thank you all, thank you subscribers, and who are watching me, and yeah, I wish you a good day. See you next time.